Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'll show you the easiest way how you could add or change the banner image for a YouTube channel. To do that, open your browser and make sure to open YouTube. Click on your channel's image on the top right side. Click your channel. Here click on your image or the image of your channel or the picture of your channel. Scroll to the bottom, you will see banner image. Click upload. By the way, make sure that the image has the following settings or the following uh, uh, dimensions. It should be 2048 by 1152 pixels and maximum 6 megabit or less. Select the image. So again, once you click upload, you can navigate through from the left side in your computer or the flash drive whatsoever to locate the image and click on it to be selected and click open. You'll be asked to adjust, so we'll just adjust it accordingly. Once done, click done, click publish. You might want to refresh after it's done. Let's refresh again. And click on view channel after 1 or 2 minutes, and you should be able to see the image banner there. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.